As we all know, Itoshi Rin's main philosophy for improving himself at football revolves around destruction, and he uses it in different ways to improve himself at crazy high levels. What if you could use the same technique in real life to improve yourself? Well, there's this concept called as creative destruction in economics, which was propounded by the economist named Joseph Schumpeter. He describes it as the process of industrial mutation that incessantly revolutionizes the economic structure from within, incessantly destroying the old one, incessantly creating a new one. In simple words, the way you can use creative destruction for self improvement is by incorporating a completely new identity for yourself while destroying your old one in the process by improving various aspects of your personality. Here are 5 steps to destroy your old identity and create a new one. Number 1, write down how you currently identify yourself. Be honest with yourself and write down all the characteristics of your personality, including your strengths and weaknesses. Also, try to make them personal. For example, instead of writing down my weakness is being unassertive or just unassertive, write down I am unassertive. This will help you to connect to your strengths and weaknesses more effectively. Number 2, write down what you want to identify yourself as. Write down all characteristics that you want to be a part of your personality. For example, I want to be assertive. Make sure to include only those characteristics which will replace and destroy your weaknesses and make your strengths better. Number 3, find a way to fill the gaps between who you want to be and who you are. First of all, figure out the gaps between who you want to be and who you are, then make a step by step plan to fill those gaps for each characteristic of yours that you want to change. For example, find out the gap that's stopping you from being more assertive and try to fill it. Maybe the reason is your anxiety, so make a detailed step by step plan on how to remove that anxiety within you as much as possible. Number 4, practice daily. Practice your new identity daily by believing that you are that particular kind of person. To accelerate the process, write down or tell yourself, I am assertive, or I go to the gym regularly, etc. daily, and also practice whatever you plan daily because you simply cannot improve without practice. Number 5, improvise your plans and repeat the process. Your plans can't predict everything, so sometimes you need to figure out the mistakes in your plan spontaneously, improvise, and then repeat the process for maximum improvement. Thanks for watching.